All right, today's lesson is lesson 61, how to write the part of a set as a fraction. So I have these counters here. I've got yellow and red ones, and we're going to pretend that these are beads on a necklace. Okay, so I've arranged them into this kind of necklace bracelet. Okay, as you can see, I have red, red, yellow, yellow, red, red. Okay, so how many beads do I have altogether? And we can write part of a whole necklace, each bead is, by using a fraction. So I have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 beads. Okay, so I have 6 beads total. And then I want to know what fractional part is each bead. Well, since one bead would just be 1/6 of the whole thing, because I only have one bead and there's 6 total. Remember, the numerator, which is the number on top, tells me how many pieces I have, and the denominator tells me how many there are total. So each bead would be 1/6 of the total necklace. Okay, so in the next part it says what fractional part is red. Okay, so the fractional part that is red, you can see that I have 1, 2, 3, 4 red beads. So you'll have a chart paper kind of like this. So there are 4/6 of the beads are red. Now let's make this a little bit bigger so I can write it easier. There we go. Okay, so 4/6 of the beads are red because there's 4 of them. And then it asks what fractional part is yellow. So if we look, I have 1, 2 yellow beads. So that means 2 out of the 6 beads are yellow. And then the total number of beads, again, that I have is, I have 6 beads total. So my fraction would be 6/6. Now, if you notice, or we would say that's 1 whole. And if you notice, if I add these two numbers together, I end up with the whole at the end. Okay, so here on this first example, I have a total of how many beads? Well, let's see, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 beads total. Okay, so my total fractional parts would be 7/7, because that's how many I have in all. So then I want to see how many do I have red? Well, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 beads that are red. So the fractional part that is red is 5 over the 7 beads total. Okay, and then it says what the fractional part that is yellow. Well, I have 1, 2 yellow beads. So that means that it's going to be 2/7. Just remember, the bottom number is always how many total beads you have. Okay, what about the second one? The second problem. If you look, I have let's do red beads first. Well, first I have to count the beads. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 again. So my total fraction is going to be 7/7. All right, so what fractional part is red? I have 1, 2, 3, 4 red beads. So my red fraction will be 4/7. Okay, what fractional part is yellow? So if we look, 1, 2, 3 yellow beads. So the fraction will be 3/7. Okay. All right, and that is it for this homework, and good luck.